One afternoon, Sam, Emanuel, and Laura were playing in the living room when Laura noticed something that made her gasp. Uh-oh! Look at the cupboard in the kitchen! It's so messy! Emanuel looked over at the kitchen and saw the cupboard door slightly open. Pots and pans were tumbling out, and there were boxes of cereal, cookie jars, and even some spilled flour scattered all over the floor. Yikes! It looks like a kitchen disaster zone, Sam said, shaking his head. How did it get so messy? I have no idea, Laura said with a laugh. But we can't leave it like this. We need to clean it up. Emanuel grinned. That sounds like a challenge. We can totally make it fun and work together to get everything organized. All right, Sam agreed. Let's turn this messy cupboard into a super tidy one. The three friends grabbed some cleaning supplies from the closet: sponges, paper towels, and a broom. They headed to the kitchen, ready for the adventure of cleaning up the messy cupboard. First, we need to take everything out of the cupboard, Emanuel said, opening the cupboard all the way. We can sort everything into piles. They all started taking out pots, plates, boxes of pasta, and bags of rice. Okay, we'll make one pile for plates, one for baking stuff, and one for snacks, Laura suggested. That should help us stay organized. As they sorted through the mess, they found some fun surprises. Look, I found my favorite cereal, Sam said, holding up a box of his favorite chocolate cereal. I thought I ran out of this. I found some cookie cutters. Laura laughed, showing off the heart-shaped cutters. We can make cookies next time. Emanuel found a little teapot that they all remembered using for tea parties when they were younger. I can't believe we still have this, he said with a big smile. After all the items were sorted into piles, the friends began cleaning the cupboard. They wiped down the shelves, dusted off the cans, and even found a spot for the teapot. Almost done, Laura said, putting the last few cans of soup in their proper place. This looks so much better now. Great job, everyone, Sam said, feeling proud. We turned this disaster into a super tidy cupboard. Emanuel gave a thumbs up. It was way more fun than I thought it would be. And now we know where everything is. The cupboard was sparkling clean, and everything was neatly organized. The friends stepped back and admired their work. Wow, we did it! Laura cheered. It looks amazing! It was messy, but now it's perfect, Sam agreed, looking at the tidy shelves. We make a great team. Thanks for watching Sam, Emanuel, and Laura's Messy Cupboard Adventure on Artzy Monkey channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories and exciting challenges.